In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to set up, prepare and file payroll for STP. On the left-hand menu, click on Payroll, and then from the drop-down arrow, select the Employees. So we'll on the left-hand side, select the drop-down arrow and we'll select Employees. Here you can add a new employee by clicking New Employee on the top right-hand side. We won't do this today as we've already have an employee set up. However, to add a new employee, you need to complete the appropriate details. Once your employees are set up, in the left-hand menu go to Pay Event. Select Pay Run. Go into a pay run for the new period. Pick New Pay Run on the top right-hand side. You then need to enter the compulsory fields in red, as well as the details under earnings, deductions, and superannuation where relevant. So for Steve John Steve, should we say? So the transaction date was the 24th of June, and the payment date is the same date. And the pay period start, so it's the 17th of June, pay period end, 23rd of June. That's better. Okay, so we've got for John Steve, he receives a gross salary of $1,000 per week. So it's a fixed amount salary, $1,000. There's no salary sacrifice. There's no deductions, and superannuation has been calculated correctly at 10% of the gross amount, which is $100. And the PAYG on that is $162, leaving a net pay of $818. So we select Save as Posted. To file for single touch payroll, select the payroll file you wish to file. So we select the one that we just processed, which is this particular one here. And we click on Prepare STP. Are you sure you wish to prepare STP for selected pay run? Click OK. That's the process you would go through to file for STP. So just follow the prompts after selecting Prepare STP and follow those to the end.